I was seriously surprised by this one. I've made a lot of Ninja Creami recipes, and most protein ice creams come out just okay. This one came out creamy, scoopable, and actually tasted like real mint chocolate chip. Here's how I made it. Today we're going to make a mint chocolate chip ice cream, and we're going to start with a tablespoon of cream cheese at room temperature. And I did actually put that in the microwave to soften it up a little. I've got a 1/3 cup of sugar, or if you want lower calories, a monk fruit. Whoops, slipped out of my hand. I'm going to give this a stir. This is 1/2 cup of half and half. I'm going to start with that. I think I'm going to start with my whisk so I can get this a little more mixed up. Then I have 1 cup of Fairlife milk. And I have ready a 1/2 cup of water, but we're only going to use the water to the max fill line. Then we're going to mix in 1 whole scoop of vanilla protein powder, because that's what's going to give it its protein. Oops. The mint chocolate chip is we're going to do a 1/2 teaspoon of mint extract. And I've got to mix this up a little better. I have a food grade green food coloring that's organic. And I got a little bit of lumps, so I'm going to try this, but you got to be really careful you don't have things fly out. Let's give this a good mix with my little mixer here. We're going to use that again. I want you to use just, this is my food grade. Let's see if we can get it to focus on that. There we go. And just a little goes a long way. So I actually have it only pulled back a tad. I know it looks purple, but it's green. We're going to just tap. I like a very light green. Just want to tap. There we go. There's a light green. I don't want it too dark. That's a beautiful green. Now now that we've got this mixed together, we're going to put its lid on, and I always put the name on, and we're going to freeze this for 24 hours, and we're going to have the most beautiful, creamy mint chocolate chip ice cream. The creamy mint chocolate chip ice cream base has been in the freezer for actually 2 days, but you need it to go for at least 24. And as you can see, it's hard as a rock, and I'm going to let it sit out for 15 minutes. It's been sitting for 15 minutes, and let's go spin some ice cream. I'm going to guess this is either going to be ready to put the mix in or too crumbly. Let's see. Yeah, too crumbly. Look at that. Not quite the texture we want, so we're going to spin it again before we put our mix-ins. Okay, I did take a peek. Looks pretty good. A little bit of crumbly, but I think once we put the chocolate chips in there, it'll all. Could put a tablespoon of milk in there, but I want it to be a little more like ice cream from the store. So let's make a nice hole in here. And we're going to put at least 1/4 cup. I think it's a little more, but I want it chocolate chippy. All right, we're going to do this. Put the lid on, and we'll be right back with our mix in it. The second spin was on the respin cycle. This is going to be on the mix-in cycle. And I brought 2 spoons because I'm not going to be able to resist tasting this. Oh, wow, look at that. Now that's exactly what I wanted. Wow, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Look at that. Lots of chocolate chips. Creamy, delicious. I didn't have to add any. Look at that. Okay, I'm not going to be able to resist.